playing Dino Ball back at our nest.
Well, here come the players now. And there he is, kids. The best of the best. Hank Ankylosaurus.
Look, he's covered with hard, bony plates, even above his eyes. Whoa, check out Hank's tail. It's like a big club.
And those legs. They may be short, but they look really powerful.
I know, and even his legs have plates. I wonder what they're made of, and I wonder how hard they are.
Really hard, buddy. We're about to see him in action, because it's the kickoff!
Whoa, did you see how fast he swung that tail?
Look at Hank go!
That's the Hankster, unstoppable.
Hey, look at the other players.
You okay, Jerry?
Yeah, fine. Never felt better.
They aren't hurt a bit.
It's all that armor plating. I think my hypothesis about Ankylosaurus is right. Their armor plates completely protect their bodies.
Yeah, Hank didn't even feel that big gourd when it hit him.
But all that heavy armor means they can't move their bodies as fast as other species.
Except their tails. Look.
Kids, we just witnessed the greatest Dino Ball goal ever. Now, look, the game's almost over.
And time's up! We win!
Dad, can we talk to Hank? Kelly, please?
He'll talk to you. You're his biggest fan.
Well, sure, I guess so.
Mary, look.
George.
It's only Chop, Father.
Why, Michael.
It's not his fault. It's in the story.
Whoa, sport. Hey, how's it going?
Hank.
Well, that's my name. How you doing?
Going.
Hi, Mr. Hankster. I'm Tiny Pteranodon, and our dad brought us all out to see you play. He's a really big fan of yours.
Fan? Yeah, I am.
Well, I'm glad to hear it. So, Mr. Pteranodon, these little sports are all yours, huh?
Yep. Shuddy, Diney, Tinny, and Bon.
Hank, my dad's a little nervous meeting his hero. This is Shiny, Dawn, and Buddy. And of course me, Tiny.
Hank, your armor's awesome.
And nothing hurts you.
And your tail's so fast. It slammed that tree over and scored. Score! When we play Dino Ball, we never knock anything over except each other.
Well, you kids play D-ball? Well, that's the way to do it. Take up the game fresh out of the egg. Hey, how's about you show me what you can do, and I can give you some pointers.
You mean we get to play Dino Ball with you?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Okay, now you guys try to score against me with those practice balls.
Oh, it's a gourd just like at home.